Integration by parts can be applied to find the antiderivative of a function that's a product of two functions. And this is done by reversing the product rule of differentiation. So if we separate dx and integrate both sides, well, on the left hand side, the integral of the differential of a function gives us back that function, and on the right hand side we end up with the following integrals. And rearranging the terms, and we'll apply this method using several examples where we have the integral of a function which is generally a product of two different functions. Let's evaluate this integral, which is a product of two functions that are not derivatives of each other. So what we'll do is use integration by parts and set u equal to the natural log of x to avoid integrating it. So we get du is equal to 1 on x dx, and therefore dv is x dx, and v is therefore x squared on 2. So u multiplied by v gives x squared on 2 by the natural log of x minus the integral of v du. And the x's cancel, so what we get is x squared on 2 by the natural log of x minus this integral, which gives x squared on 4 plus the constant of integration.